We're demonstrating today the use of our super soft tree tie. These are very soft and very kind to the tree. You place it around the tree with the grooves on the inside, so they create a nice cushion effect against the tree and stop the bark being damaged. You pull through the first slit and tighten up securely, and then put it around the stake, creating a figure of 8 as you can see, and then just pull through and tighten to secure the tree, and that's it. We have holes already pre-drilled in the tie, which can be used to nail the tie to the stake.